Hello, good morning. Today we're going to learn about activities we are doing. Hoy vamos a aprender acerca de actividades que estamos haciendo. Okay, look at the picture. What is he doing? He is doing his homework. The verb is do and we add ing, doing. Do, doing. What is he doing? ¿Qué está haciendo él? He is doing his homework. Él está haciendo su tarea. El verbo es do, al cual le agregué ing. Ing lo utilizo para describir una actividad que está ocurriendo en este instante. Veamos otro ejemplo. What are they doing? They are studying maths. The verb study and studying with ing for action that are happening right now. Para acciones que están ocurriendo en este instante. They are studying maths. What is my grandfather doing? My grandfather is riding a bike. The verb ride and riding for describing action that is happening right now. En este caso, el verbo ride termina en e. Cuando hablamos acerca de una actividad que ocurre en este instante, le agregamos ing. Pero como el verbo termina en e, vamos a eliminar esta e. Ride, riding. Veamos otro ejemplo. My aunt is preparing a cake. The verb is prepared. And we add ing. Prepare, preparing. What is Tommy doing? Tommy is cutting stalks. The verb is cut and cutting. ¿Qué ocurrió aquí? El verbo es cut y a cut le agregué otra T. ¿Por qué? Porque es un verbo pequeño y termina en una consonante. Entonces voy a duplicar la última consonante, la T, y le agrego ing. Cut, cutting. What is he doing? You are running with Firulais. The verb is run. And I have running. ¿Qué pasó? Dupliqué la última consonante, la N, y le agregué ing. So, let's play. Vamos a jugar. Okay, I have here a quiz. Okay, let's start. Vamos a empezar. Okay? Oh, look at the picture. What are they doing? ¿Qué están haciendo ellos? My friends are swimming. They are eating cake. Or they are dancing. What is the correct answer? Yes, very good. They are dancing. Ellos están bailando. Excellent. Very good. Muy bien. Next. What are they doing? We are cooking an apple pie. We are studying at home. We are cutting papers. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Yes, we are studying at home. Very good. Excellent. Next. What are you doing? You are swimming in the pool. You are running in the park. Or you are eating an apple. Yes, you are swimming in the pool. Very good. Excellent. Very good. You're genial. Congrats. Muy bien, eres genial. No te equivocaste en ninguna. Excelente, muy bien. Congratulations. Ok, vamos a realizar una última actividad. Ok, vamos a resolver esta actividad. What are you doing? Click on each picture. Vamos a darle un clic en cada una de estas imágenes, en estos niñitos. Vemos aquí, here. Okay, tell me, are they doing the laundry? No, they aren't doing the laundry. Okay, so are they watching TV? No, they aren't watching TV. So, what are they doing? ¿Qué están haciendo? Yes, they are preparing a cake. Very good. In this case, remember I have the verb prepare and we add ing for action that is happening right now. Prepare, preparing. Very good. Excellent. Okay, next. This. Look at this. Is today his birthday? Yes, it is. Today is his birthday. Yes. Is today his birthday? Yes, it is. Sí, lo es. Today is his birthday. What is Stephen doing? He is opening his present. Opening. Remember ing. In this case, his is a possessive. Yes, very good. Okay, let's continue. Here. Where is she? She is in the kitchen. Yes, she is in the kitchen. Is she cooking? No, she isn't. She's not cooking. In this case, the verb is cook and we add ing, cooking. What is she doing? She is cutting a watermelon. Yes, in this case, the verb is cut and we add t and ing. Le agregamos la otra T y ing. Okay, here. Is she in her bedroom? Yes, she is. She is in her bedroom. Remember, her is a possessive. Is the possessive to she. What is she doing? ¿Qué está haciendo ella? She's getting dressed in her uniform. Yes, in this case, the verb is get. Get, getting, for action that is happening right now. Very good, so we finished with the children. Terminamos con los niños. A ver, veamos. Are you at your house? ¿Estás en tu casa? No, I'm not. I'm outside. I use your. Remember, your is a possessive. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am riding my bike. In this case, my is the possessive. And remember, the verb is ride. So we add ing for action that is happening right now. Okay, guys. Okay, you can watch some videos. Pueden ver algunos videos para que puedan repasar. Okay, you can watch these videos. Acá ustedes tienen el link para que ustedes puedan ingresar y puedan recordar algunas de estas actividades que hemos realizado. Okay, see you, take care, bye bye.